Yeah, you were on that and you fell down and bumped. Where's your head, Jamesy? Yeah, you bumped your head when you fell off of there, didn't you? Oh, sweet kisses. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going, James? Careful, you might fall down if you step on that. Yeah, you don't want to fall down and hit your head. Head, that's right. Or fall. Jamesy. What are you doing? Down? You mean business? Whoa, 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 careful. Don't fall. Yeah, were you on that? What happened when you were sitting on that? What happened? Yeah? Is that a pillow? Can you say pillow? Let me see your muscles. Show me how strong you are, Jamesy. Go.